I'm a beginner in trading. In this video I'll show you how to make money with a small deposit, just a few trades. And if you're afraid to do them by yourself, you can go on my Telegram channel where I'm showing my market analysis and free daily signals. So don't waste your time, let's go trading. This time trading will be quiet on two indicators, the Kettler channel and stochastic oscillator. I didn't change their settings, I leave them as default. The trades will be for the amount of $50 and their duration is equal to 1 minute. I have 1118 on the deposit and we can start now. Let's go. I'll open the first trade on the upside. I decided to open it based on the signals and look. The blue stochastic line is growing, crossing the level 20. This indicates a possible continuation of the price growth. But that is not all. There is a second signal. As the price crosses the lower boundary of Kettler, also from bottom to top. This indicates a possible price growth. While the trade is in progress, I propose to talk about the development of a beginner to a successful trader. And I will try to tell you how to do it and what influenced it. So if you want to become a successful trader, I will be difficult without trading psychology. And all because emotion can very quickly disrupt your profitable strategies. Yeah, learn this, it's really the main task. Now watch how dangerous is this. The time is run out and yeah, it's great. The trade is successful and I made $46. I see another good momentum and opened a trade to the upside. Signals are similar here. Look, the blue stochastic line crossed the level 20 from bottom to top. And as you remember, this indicates a possible price rise. But it is not all. The candlestick crossed the lower boundary of Kettler, also from bottom to top, which confirms the signal about the possible price growth. Let's see if I'm right and let's keep talking. So, the fear, greed, hope, all of these things can be bad for your trading. But what can you do about it? I'll try to help you and give you tips to help you control your emotions and mind control. Your mind plays a big role in your long-term success in trading. So understanding how you feel about trading is very important thing. And while we have been talking, the trade deadline is already coming to end. And let's see, yeah, I made another $46. It's wonderful, really. Not bad, but I'm looking at new trade now. This moment I'm going to open a down trade. Signals there are opposite to the previous trades. The price crossed the upper boundary of a Kettler from top to the bottom and continued to this line. This indicates a possible continuation of the quantity line in the near future. Then I saw the blue stochastic line cross the orange one also from above downwards, which confirms the signal for the price line. You can see that if you know and understand even the simplest signal, you can make good money on binary options. Join me, link my Telegram in description. And the deal is finalized. Yeah, wonderful. Another $46 added to my balance. We moving on and looking for a new entrance. So I see a strong signals and opening a trade to move higher. I think you understand what signals I saw, but I will explain them now. The blue stochastic line crossed the level 20 from bottom to top. This indicates a possible price rise. Then look here. There is lower and the middle Kettler boundaries, and their price has confidently crossed it to continue to grow. It's confirming the signal from stochastic. Don't forget, friends, that I will choose 5 people who will get $50. Always what you need is just to like this video, subscribe my channel, and write me something in Telegram. So the link you will find in the description of this video, and this is your chance to take this money. Wish you luck, bro. And my deal is finalized, which brings me another $46. It's maybe not much for some people, but it's stable, you know? It's better when you make money, not losing them. Really, it's better. And now I see an interesting situation. So I open a down trade and look, once the price has crossed the lower boundary of gather and is rising. But if you look at stochastic, you can see that its blue line it's not rising at all, but on the contrary, it is pricing against the level of 20. Therefore, I make an assumption that the price may go down in the near future. And while the trade is in progress, let's continue our conversation. And successful trader learns to manage emotions so his trading rules. For example, limits on how much one is willing to gain or lose during the trading day. Most importantly, to get know yourself, really, it's real important thing. Experiment with new ideas as a big part of learning process. And the trade is going well now. Oh, it's again ending with $46 profit. Really cool. Things are going well, you know. And so more signals and open it a don't trade. Look, it's simple here too. The blue stochastic line crosses both the orange line and the 80 level from top to bottom at the same time, which is a good signal that the price may go down. In addition, the price crossed the upper candle boundary similarly from top to bottom. It's confirming the signal from stochastic. Let's take a look behind the trade and continue our conversation. So, greed and fear are two most significant emotions affecting the trading psychology. Greed is a strong motivator, you know. Without greed, you wouldn't want to trade the stock market. But to avoid mistakes caused by greed, you need clearly understand your intentions in trading. And the trade closed solidly, helping me my usual $46 later. I like it really. The signal persists here, so I open another down trade. I'm going to repeat them one more time. The blue line crosses seamlessly the orange line and the level 80 from top to the bottom, thus indicating a possible price decline. But in addition, the price has already crossed the candle midline, is actively declining. Complementing the stochastic signal, let's see how the situation develops. In the meantime, let's keep talking. The second negative emotion is fear. It's come up when we want to change a habit. Fear is failure is quite common. Working with a demo account is a good way to overcome it. Trading and demo account is intended not for only beginners. It's a convenient tool for testing everything new. Yeah, I'm sometimes testing demo account when I wanna make some experiment, you know. And now it's exciting, but it all ended well. You know how much I get? $46 added to my account. I like this table really. So I suggest opening another trade, this time on the upside. Look, the signals are clearly visible. The blue stochastic line has crossed the level 20 from the top and bottom, and it's still rising, telling us the price may rise. And if we look the candle, we see the price is actively growing and has already crossed the lower boundary. It's confirming the signal from stochastic as again. And let's wait for closing. And returning the conversation, I would like to point out that for a stable psychological environment, I recommend choosing your favorite strategies and sticking to them really. Each trader may have their own, and I have already shown you a few, and they all help you make money. Choose what you like the best one. And here we go again with a solid completion of the trade, which brings me another $46. I propose to finish here and move on the results on the trade. Today I showed you guys a calm trade, which after 8 successful trades, it's bring me $368. How do you think about this result? Share your reaction in comments please. And add my VIP channel, Telegram, and I will improve your standard living and close your material goals. So don't stop trading, guys.